Localization news you can use. Your daily dose of localization know-how for June 11th, 2025. Today's industry update is led by a significant platform evolution from Phrase, which has announced its most powerful release to date. The update introduces several AI-driven capabilities, most notably multimedia localization. This new feature aims to streamline the process of translating video and audio content by integrating transcription, translation, subtitling, and voiceover services directly within the Phrase platform. A key component of this release is the introduction of what Phrase is calling Agentic AI workflows. These are designed to automate complex localization tasks from start to finish, essentially allowing the AI to act as a project manager. The system can now autonomously analyze source content, select the best-suited machine translation engine, and manage post-editing workflows, aiming for a more hands-off, efficient process. This move clearly signals a deeper integration of AI into the core localization tech stack, moving beyond simple translation to intelligent automation of the entire workflow. In healthcare localization, GLOBO has announced a major expansion for its AI-powered interpretation solution, GLOBO KAI. The service is now available at 3,000 healthcare provider sites. GLOBO KAI provides on-demand access to interpretation in hundreds of languages, leveraging AI to offer a supplementary tool alongside human interpreters. The goal is to improve communication, reduce delays in care, and enhance patient and provider experiences by making language support more immediately accessible for common interactions. Turning to AI best practices, Vincent Liu shared key insights on the importance of prompt engineering for translation and localization. The guidance emphasizes that crafting effective prompts is crucial for steering AI models to produce translations that are not only accurate, but also contextually and culturally appropriate. This skill is becoming increasingly vital for linguists and project managers who are leveraging generative AI in their daily work, moving their role from pure translation to that of AI interaction specialists. On the research front, the EU-funded project ET Rebels has shared findings on combining knowledge graphs with machine translation for automatic post-editing. Their work explores how structured knowledge can help MT systems better understand context and terminology, leading to more accurate initial translations and reducing the effort required in the post-editing phase. From a strategic perspective, Diego Cresceri highlighted the critical link between brand strategy and AI-driven localization. He argues that companies must go beyond simply translating content and instead use AI tools to ensure their brand's voice and values are consistently conveyed across all markets. This involves training AI models on brand-specific glossaries and style guides to maintain brand integrity on a global scale. In industry discussions, there is a renewed conversation around whether linguists who perform post-editing on book translations should receive formal credit for their work, similar to translators. This debate touches on the evolving nature of the linguist's role and the significant intellectual contribution involved in refining machine-translated texts to a publishable standard. Several pieces today also explore the broader application and mindset of localization. One article advocates for embracing localization as a fundamental mindset in scientific research to ensure findings are accessible and applicable globally. Another inspiring example comes from Africa's Great Green Wall Project, where language services are proving essential to coordinate efforts and share knowledge across diverse linguistic communities involved in the massive environmental initiative. Further illustrating the personal impact of language skills, a reflection on a career in multilingual diplomacy offers 5 key lessons on how linguistic proficiency and cultural understanding are indispensable for effective international relations. In other technology news, OpenAI's ChatGPT is being integrated with new hardware, like the O3 Pro voice recorder, to provide real-time screen-based translation, further blurring the lines between conversation and instant transcription. And, in a different take on multimedia, there's a growing discussion around the cultural nuances of subtitling versus dubbing, questioning why audiences should just read subtitles when technology can help them speak the language through high-quality AI-powered dubbing. Finally, we have some industry recognition and learning opportunities. Welocalize has been named a Pathfinder company by an e-learning magazine, recognizing its innovative approaches. Aurélie Sheehan, after a visit with the University of Galway, mentioned productive discussions on the future of the language industry, talent development, and university-industry collaboration. For those looking to learn more about AI's impact, Lionbridge is hosting an upcoming webinar focused on AI innovation in the localization sector. Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.